How to add payment method on Taobao. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Taobao application on your mobile device. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply log in to your Taobao account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on account right over here. And from here, you want to go ahead and tap on the settings like icon. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on the third option that says payment settings. And from here, simply tap on the second option that says payment method. Just like so, go ahead and tap on add credit card or debit card. And inside this page, go ahead and type in your card number, the name on card, expiration date and your CCV. Once everything is done, tap on bind now. And just like so, you'll then be able to add payment method on Taobao. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.